Alright, first up today we've got the Yamaha XJ600N in red. 600 Diversion. It's a T-Reg, this one. Older girl, but she's really clean. Let's have a quick look over it now. Start off at the front. A little Puig screen at the front. Front end's all nice and clean. Front mudguard looks good. Tyres are pretty new on this as well. One less thing to have to worry about. Little fender extender at the back, and then come down this right hand side. See all the frames, really nice. Tank's good. Slightest little bit of tarnish on the engine casing, but it's to be expected. A bike at this age. Header pipes are nice and clean. Paneling looks good on the tail. Seat looks good. It's got the twin Delcovic exhaust. Sound pretty well. Back wheel looks good. Again, tyres pretty new on the back as well. Let's have a look around the left hand side. Again, that twin exhaust. Chain and sprocket look good. Tank looks nice and clean. Frame's nice and clean. Little chrome engine bar. Really clean for its age, this. So a quick look on the dash. So it's showing up at 13,692 miles. So there you go, very tidy one.